Good day. My name is Austin Moyo. I'm the Shadow Ambassador for the MDCT in South Africa, now also representing the MDC Alliance. Let's talk about independence. Independence means democracy. It means freedom of association, freedom of speech. The people of Zimbabwe since 1980 have only experienced hardships, torture, deaths, starting with the Gukurahundi. It went on to Murambatsvina. Speaking right now, there are people who have not been accounted for, who disappeared, and up to now no one knows where they are. You cannot call that independence. A lot of people, the active population of Zimbabwe, has left Zimbabwe to go to other countries seeking a better life. Let's just say seeking to become independent. They have faced raging rivers and crossed them, risking their lives just to look for independence. So Zimbabwe has not experienced independence. Independence is yet to come. So this day today is actually a mark in history to say that this should be the last year that Zimbabweans do not enjoy independence. It's 38 years now, and a lot of people who were born free are now fathers and mothers, but they have not tasted independence. Some are old, some are young, but independence has yet still to come in Zimbabwe. Today we are not celebrating, we are actually mourning a wasted opportunity for us to attain independence. Thank you.